Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zencastr audio to Adobe Audition Cleanup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition on your computer. Launch your Zencastr session in a web browser. Once your Zencastr session is active, locate the recorded audio files. Download the audio files to your local storage. Find the downloaded files on your computer. Open Adobe Audition. Create a new project by selecting File, then New and Multitrack Session. Name your session and choose the desired sample rate. Click OK to create the session. Next, import the downloaded audio files into Adobe Audition. Go to File and then select Import. Choose File from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the folder where your Zencastr audio files are saved. Select the files you want to work with and click Open. Your audio files will now appear in the project panel. Drag the audio files from the project panel onto the timeline. Ensure the audio tracks are lined up correctly for editing. Select a track to clean up and click on it. Navigate to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Choose Noise Reduction/Restoration and then select Noise Reduction Process. In the Noise Reduction window, click on Capture Noise Print. Adjust the sliders to reduce back. Click Apply to confirm your changes. Repeat this process for any additional audio tracks needing cleanup. You can also use Compressor under the Effects menu to enhance voice clarity. Experiment with the settings to find what works best for your audio. Once you finish cleaning up the audio, you may want to add any additional effects. Consider using equalization by going to the Effects menu and selecting Filter and EQ. Choose Parametric Equalizer to enhance specific frequencies. After making the adjustments, play back your audio to ensure it sounds great. Feel free to save different versions of your project to compare results. Once you are satisfied with the cleanup, prepare to export your audio. Go to File and then select Export, followed by Multitrack Mixdown. Choose the appropriate format and settings for your audio. Click OK to finalize your export. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.